Let's take a look at your MT6, LT3, and 4 seminar. Do the first 4 questions. We'll review those in class. Notice all the mathematical practices we're doing today, pretty much everything. What we're going to be looking at in this lesson is I want you to solve problems by applying the centroid theorem. Your centroid theorem, we'll have to define what a centroid here is in a second. We're going to use altitude and slope criteria to determine the coordinates of an orthocenter. So we'll talk about what an orthocenter is. And we're going to solve problems by applying the exterior angle inequality theorem. And we're going to apply theorems, prove and apply theorems about inequalities in a triangle. First thing, a median. A median goes from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. It doesn't have to be perpendicular. It doesn't have to bisect the angle. It just goes from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. I could draw one from B here. So if this is my midpoint, I would connect M to B. That would be my centroid. Now let's take a look at what you know. Well, sorry, that's a median. I haven't talked about a centroid yet. Where your medians intersect, they're concurrent, so all 3 of them intersect at the same point. That is your centroid. It is the geometric center of your triangle. It will always be inside the triangle. Doesn't matter what kind of triangle it is, the centroid is always on the inside. When you look at the centroid, notice it's not in the middle of your line segment. It's the middle of the triangle, but it's not in the middle of your line segment. And what that does is where our centroids intersect, or where your point of your centroid is, it splits that line segment, that median, into 2/3 and 1/3 ratio. Or think of it like a 2-to-1 ratio. That's what it is. So now, on our example here, let's apply that. We know P is our centroid. So our centroid cuts this line segment into a 2-to-1 ratio. And I know the whole length is 6. B to L is 6. So if I take 1/3 of 6, I get 2. If I double that, that'll be your 2/3 ratio. B to P is 4. So in this problem, B to P is 4, and P to L is 2. And notice 4 plus 2 is 6. And we'll do some more problems on the next video.